dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
My good people, now welcome back to Reality Latest Gist. Welcome back to your #1 channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And now we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with fresh reports we would like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say one group for inside Edo State now don't come outside the yarn. Say them now don't resolve, them now don't make up their mind, them now don't decide say they go mobilize 2 million votes for our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu 2027 re-election bid to consolidate on his renewed hope agenda. And no be lie, my good people, this group so dem display seriousness, dem waka through the major streets of Benin City in a solidarity march. All of them wear branded face cap with inscriptions 2027 it is possible. And the group dey yarn say although 2027 dey very much far and dem dey know that one very well, but the preparation must begin right now. Dem now wan start to dey calculate how they go take cross the bridge when the last come reach the bridge. And then addressing Tori people during the rally, the convener of the rally will be Comrade Kelly Okongbowa. Him now come dey yarn say the thing wey motivate them now to enter streets, the thing wey ginger them to enter streets, the thing wey push them to organize the rally na because of wetin the Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo dey do currently for inside Edo State. And he say the matter for no dey possible if to say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu no release the funds wey dey due to Edo State. If to say our president now no give the go ahead for men to release funds to Edo State, e get some kind things wey for no work for inside Edo State. Comrade Okongbowa come dey yarn say Edo State Governor don embark on massive road projects including the flyover bridge, and that's na a feat, that's na a development wey be say men never record before for inside Rivers State. But right now the Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo he just dey set record dey go. And for those kind developments to continue for inside Edo State, that is for the good things wey Monday Okpebholo dey do for inside Edo State to continue, the presidency had to be encouraged. Men gas re-elect the presidency for inside the year 2027. Comrade Kelly Okongbowa comes dey yarn dey give men say as men dey observe as all of them now don plaster, as all of them now don burst out, as all of them now don dey make move, no be about APC matter. This one now na something wey be say e don pass political line, e dey go across all party lines dem. All the youth wey men dey observe say they don come outside today, so all of them dey come from different political parties, all of them dey come from different political backgrounds dem, and now all of them don come together to give their support to our president, the 001 for inside we nation Nigeria wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and to the state governor wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo. And he say make men no forget say just few days ago His Excellency Senator Monday Okpebholo just awarded the second flyover for inside Edo State, and he now don still mobilize the contractor with 25%. And this na wetin men never observe before, this na wetin men never experience before for inside Edo State. Senator Monday Okpebholo wey be say he never even stay 6 months for inside office, he don embark on infrastructure. This na the second flyover now wey he wan do for inside Edo State. This na wetin be say men for inside Edo State never witness, but now they wan dey torchlight am, they wan dey witness am. And as him wey be Comrade Kelly Okongbowa don talk am before, him dey talk am again, all these levels na through the help of Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It's because of the money wey Mr. President dey release to the state governor Monday Okpebholo. That na why the governor Monday Okpebholo is very much able to carry out all this infrastructure, to carry out all these massive changes, this development wey men dey observe for inside Edo State. So them now they no get option as youths than to rally for support of Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Senator Monday Okpebholo wey be the governor of Edo State. And they want to reassure the general public, they want to reassure country people and the Edo State people say when last 2027 don reach, they no go give below 2 million votes to Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They go make sure say they mobilize, they go make sure say they arrange massive vote wey go pass 2 million. This my good people na the talk wey come aside from the mouth of Comrade Kelly Okongbowa. Then for the senior special assistant on pipeline surveillance to the Edo State Governor wey be Comrade Joseph, he na come dey yarn say currently for inside we nation Nigeria plenty projects dey go on, and last na our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu na go complete them. So therefore governors across the states of we nation Nigeria must queue behind Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Just like the way the Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don choose to queue behind our Presido, don choose to dey support our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Comrade Joseph dey let men dey know say na because of the Edo State Governor don already make up his mind. The Edo State Governor don already plaster, don already decide say yes, im go support our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu to actualize his goals and objective, and that na the 2027 re-election bid. The youth dey no get choice than to support both our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu and their governor wey dey do nice things for them, and that na Senator Monday Okpebholo. The youth of Edo State go continue to dey support them so that they go fit succeed. And no be lie, my good people, you know say unto the re-election bid of our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu, no be only the Edo State Governor wey don pledge support. E get one countryman wey dey go by the name Abdulaziz Olajide Adediran, men popularly know am as Jandor, and he na the 2023 governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party for inside the Lagos State governorship election. He na don officially return to the All Progressive Congress. He don defect from PDP go the All Progressive Congress, and he na don dey pledge his full support for our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu's re-election bid for inside the year 2027. And during one rally like that wey happen for inside Ojo local government area, he na come dey formally dey announce his return to the All Progressive Congress, and na there he come dey yarn things and things about our Presido and his re-election bid. Na there he come dey urge his supporters to begin grassroots mobilization for our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu re-election campaign. He say our Presido deserve a second term in office, he deserve a second tenure. So therefore, dem now go ensure his return for inside the year 2027. Dem now go use their vote as investment to negotiate for greater involvement in governance. So like this now, my good people, just as youth for inside Edo State now don dey push for the support and re-election of our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu, na so men for inside Lagos State dey also dey push for the support and re-election of our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And this, my good people, na the information I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put out your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Reality Latest Gist. Now we dey like give our latest news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update and you would like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell. Why it dey very much important be say as we dey bring more news dey come your side, na you go first receive the informate and you go even get am sharp. Now me dey go get more news, me dey go get more reports, me dey go get more informate for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.